Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to draw thick line in AutoCAD or how you can change your existing line into thick lines in AutoCAD 25. I have this drawing and which is the existing drawing, and here I want to change the thickness of these lines. For that, if you are working on layers, you have to select the layer. I will click on layer property and this is my layer. You have to click here on line weight, and after that you have to select the line weight thickness. I will select 35. Okay, but you are not able to see the thickness. To see the thickness, we have to click here on three lines, and here we have to click on line weight, and after that these three line icon will show in the status bar here. Click this one on, and now you can see the thick line. This is the method to show the existing line thick in AutoCAD. Now onward, if you want to draw a thick line here, you have to select the thickness here. Now anything you select, it will start with the thick line. Let's say I will pick a line here and it is showing a thick line. If you want to change more, click 40. Now I will draw a circle here. It is a thick line.